Hi students, how are you? We are come back in class 6. Dear students, we are continue learn chapter 8. Different types of bones we also learn that are found in our body. Dear students, we also learn in previous lesson that how can moves our body one palace to another palace, and we also learn how can moose how can get in other animal like earthworm and snail. We also learn about it. Dear students, today we learn another types of organism. How can they learn? First of all, you are seeing in this picture carefully. What are you seeing in their picture? In this picture, dear students, you see a cockroach. In this session, we learn how can cockroach move one palace to another palace. Dear students, cockroach walk and climb as well as fly in the air. They have 3 pair of legs. You can see here. Three pair of legs you are seeing in this picture. It is help for move one palace to another palace. The body is covered with hard outer skeleton. Its body is very hard like outer skeleton. This outer skeleton is made of number of plates joined together and that permits movement. There are 2 pair of wings. Here is also found of wings attached with the body behind head and behind side found its, and the cockroach have distinct muscles. Those near the legs move the legs for walking. The body muscles move the wings when the cockroach is flies. Okay, so these types of movement found in cockroach. And next is we learn movement in bird. Bird fly in the air and walk on the ground. Some birds like ducks and swans also swim in water. The birds can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. Their bones are hollow and light. The bones of the hind limbs are typical for walking and perching. These bones found here, and the bone parts of the forelimbs are modified as wings. These are modified for the wings. The shoulder bones are strong and the breast bones are modified to the hold muscles of flight, which are used to move to wing up and down. Here is soldier bones. So these are movement in bird. Next is we learn movement in a fish. In this picture, you are seeing a fish. The shape is fish such that water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in water. The skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. During swings, muscles make the front part of the body curve. This type shape curve to the side and the tail part swing toward the opposite side. The fish form curve as down you are seeing in this picture. Then quickly the body and tail curve to the other side. This makes a jerk and pushes the body forward. A series of the such jerk makes the fish swim ahead. This is helped by the wings. Here is wings. Of the tail. Fish also have other fins on their body which mainly help to keep the balance of the body and to keep direction while swimming. These fins also help. Did you ever notice that underwater divers wear fin-like flippers on their feet to help them move easily in the water? So dear students, these types of movements are found in fish. Next is in this picture, what are you seeing? You are seeing is snakes. Now we discuss how snakes get one palace to another palace. Snakes have a long backbone. There are many thin muscles. They are connected to each other. Many things muscle is here, and even through they far from one another muscles also interconnected to backbone, ribs and skin. The snake's body curve into many loops. Are you seeing? This is loops. It is also loop. Here is loop. Here is loop. Makes different types of loop. Each loop of the snakes gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. Since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives it this push, the snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. Straight line cannot move. It means it moves these types, help of these types of loops. Okay, dear students, in this class you are learn about different types of cants and different types of movement and in different types of animal, and also we learn about different types of joint, different types of bones they are found in our body. Dear students, today we completed our 8th chapter, and I suggest all of you done exercise question in your notebook. Next class we start our new chapter. Thanks dear students, all of you. Goodbye.